morning, all. Hope everyone is able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the concepts we discussed in the yesterday's session?
Yes, sir. Features of Java, JVM,
Java,
JRE,
JVM, JRE,
JDK,
Okay. So
and
everyone is
common
clear
codes.
about the yesterday's topics, right? So what is meant by JDK, what is meant by JRE, and what is meant by JVM, and what are the features of the Java, what are the applications of Java, why we are using Java with Selenium. All these concepts are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to see variables and data types concepts. Okay. Today we are going to see variables and data types concept. So before going to the variables and data types concept, you people has to download one tool. I didn't explain that how to install the Eclipse, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here there will be a one material. I will provide one material for you guys by today EOD. Okay. We'll wait for today EOD. If any new student is joined, your institute will add that person into the group, and I will see till EOD and we'll share this material in the WhatsApp groups. Okay. So yes, it is recording. So here you can see that Selenium WebDriver Eclipse, one PDF will be there. If you want to work with Selenium or Java in the Eclipse, you have to follow this three-step process in the Eclipse. First, you have to install the Java, and later you have to install the Eclipse IDE, and later you have to install the Selenium WebDrivers, and you people have to install one more thing that is called WebDriver browser. Okay, so as of now, WebDriver browser and Selenium driver files, these two things are not required because now we are practicing the Java, right? Not Selenium. So first two steps is enough to practice now Java programs in the Eclipse. Java programs in the Eclipse. Okay, so first you people have to install the Java. How to install the Java? Here I have given the process. Navigate to the below link, copy this and come to the Chrome, paste it here and select the version whatever you want. Okay, so here we are having the different versions: Java 21, 17, and JDK 21 and JDK 17. Okay, we are having different versions over here. These are the virtual machines. So whatever you want, if you want 17, select 17. My suggestion, you can go with 21, no worries on it. Okay, so we have three platforms. It's based on your laptop. If your laptop is having the Linux operating system, you can choose Linux. If it is Mac OS, you can choose Mac. If it is Windows, you can choose the Windows. And after choosing the Windows, please try to install this first one, x64 compressed archive file. If you click on this link, automatically it start downloading. I'm canceling the download because I already having the this folder. So that's the reason I'm already downloaded. I'm canceling it. So after downloading, you will get a file in the downloads. You will get a file in the downloads, right? So there what you people has to do is you will receive a file like this, like zip file you will get it for the Java. So after that you have to unzip it. You have to unzip. So hope it won't be there here because I copied here and pasted in the program files. Let's check it whether it is there or not. Hope it won't be there. Yes, it's not available because I copied here and pasted it on the local C driver. You can find that file in the C driver in my laptop. So once you downloaded, you will get a zip file like this. Right click on it and extract files. Same. In the downloads only you will get, if you click on the extract files, if you click OK, the same folder name will come, but it will be converted into the folder. So whenever it is converted into the folders, just copy that folder, and come to the local C. There come to the program files. Here there will be a JDK, right? Okay. Just paste it like this. In the program files, you can paste it the JDK folder. which you downloaded. After extracting, inside that you will find the JDK. If it is 18, 18, 17, 17, 21 is 21. Whatever it is, just download it. Whatever it is, just download it. Okay. So after downloading, you will get a materials like this. So click on the bin folder and copy the above path. After downloading, you people have to set the environment variables. Set the environment variables. Click on the environment variables button here. So here you people have to set up the home path in the system variables, and you have to add the bin path in the admin here, environment variables here. So how to add in this system variable? Click on the new, and variable name you should give as java underscore home, and value you should give here what pasted in that particular program files. Okay, so click on OK. I'm not clicking OK because I already added here, you can see. Okay, that's the reason I'm canceling. After clicking OK, it will be automatically added like this. I'm canceling. So after that, what you have to do is, you guys can click on the path here and edit, and you have to add here. Come to new box will be opened, and you have to add same path here as well, and click on OK, and then you can click here OK. So after clicking OK here, you have to click OK here, then only it is going to be saved. Oh, okay. Then the JDK is installed in your laptop. First procedure is completed. First step is completed. Okay, installation of Java JDK. And next one is Eclipse ID installation. How to install Eclipse ID? Here step by step procedure is there. Don't worry. How to set up the path also given here. Variable name, variable value, and everything. And after that, how to install Eclipse ID? Just click on this link, copy link, and come to the Chrome. And if you want to download it in the Firefox also, you can download it by clicking directly without copying. So it's up to you. So whenever you click like this, you will receive an option like this: download x86-64. If you click on the x86-64, automatically it will start downloading sometimes. Otherwise, it will ask again to click on the download button. If you click the download, it's automatically start downloading. Okay, so here you can see it is downloading. I'm canceling it because I already downloaded. After downloading, you just click on the downloaded file, double click. It is ask some terms and conditions. Agree those terms and conditions, and you guys can install it. Okay, then the Eclipse is going to be installed. The step by step process is given here, how to install. Okay, so these two steps is more than enough as of now. And I'm going to explain how to install Selenium driver files and how to install the browser drivers at the time of explaining the Selenium concepts. As of now, first two steps is enough to practice the program Java programs on the Selenium Eclipse. Okay, clear so far? How to
Yes, sir.
install JDK and how to install Eclipse. These are the two things we discussed so far. And today agenda and today topics are, first is all about the variables and data types. Okay, I'm going to share two materials today by the EOD because the few people are going to added in the WhatsApp group by today EOD. So by today EOD, I'm going to share that document where you can see how to install Eclipse and how to install the JDK. And second one is the topics which I'm going to discuss on the Java. Yesterday I discussed some topics, right? And today I'm going to discuss variables and data types. Okay, these content available materials is going to be shared by today. Okay, and one thing, and I'm going to share one telegram link as well. It's not regarding the course, it's all about the testing related concepts is going to be explained in that group. If there is, if I got any updates regarding the testing, like there is openings on so and so company, and like that, if I got any updates regarding the testing, how to share the resume to the HRs with proper format, these type of details is going to be shared in the telegram group. If you guys are interested, then only you can join. I will share that link on the chart. Okay, I will share that link on the meeting chart. Okay, By the end of the meeting, I will share that. Meanwhile, we can see the what variables and data types concepts. Okay. So let me open the material. First we see the data type and then we can see the variables. So a data type is a classification of type of data. Is everyone is able to see the screen which I am sharing?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So little
Okay,
bit zoom it, sir.
okay, okay, cool. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So a data type is a classification of the type of data that a variable or object can hold in the computer programming. Okay. So to classify the variables to hold some values in the programming, we are using the concept data type. For example, by seeing the names, we can easily clarify that that particular person is man or woman, right? For example, if we see the name, what we can say, let's consider we have him Devaraj. Devaraj, we can consider he is a man, right? By seeing the names, we are classifying that the particular person is man or woman, right? In similar way, by seeing that variable, we should classify with the help of the data types whether the particular variable is integer type or float type or else character type or else string. We are going to classifying with the help of the data types. Okay. Actually, Java supports two categories of data types. The first one is primitive data type and non-primitive data type. So here, how many types of data types we have? First one is primitive data type, and second one is non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type. Okay. So here in primitive data type, again we have four types: integer type, relational type, characters, conditional. Total four types we have: integer, relational, conditional, character. Total four types we have on the primitive. In non-primitive, we have only one thing, that is called it as a string data type. Okay. In primitive, we have four types. In four types, again we have subtypes. But in non-primitive, we have only one type, that is called it as a string. In primitive, we have four types, right? The first one is integer. Again, in integer, we have byte, short, integer, long. What is the difference between the byte, short, integer, long? Because there is a difference between the storing the value. There is a difference between the storing a value. For example, if I take the integer byte a equal to 10, there is a 8 bits of storage. Okay, 8 bits is nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that 8 will be there, because here everything will be stored in the form of the binary language, right? The machine can understand only machine level language, right? So we can write the 10 in the form of zeros and ones. We can write the 10 in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, zeros and ones is nothing but how can we write? Total 10 twos are there here. Okay, so here how can we write? Here is 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 3, and next one 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Here how can we write? So 2 power 3 is 8, it's considered as a 1, and 2 power 1 is 2, it considered as a 1. 8 plus 2 10, so remaining all things becomes the zeros. Total 8 bits, right? Remaining all things becomes the 0. Are you guys getting how I am writing the binary language to the 10? 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 1 is 2. 8 plus 2, 10. So only in these two places I am giving the value 1. Remaining all I have given the 0. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way how you can convert the number into the binary language. It's not required to convert the values into the binary. It's not your role and responsibility in the testing, right? I'm just explaining to how we are writing the binary as well. Okay. Maybe you may seen these in your BTech or else degree. Okay, so here a equal to 10. So, but again here having the short 16 equal to bit and integer 32 equal to 1000. Why we are not taking int only for all the small values as well? Because for integer we have 32 bit, right? For integer we have 32 bit. But I am storing only 10. So for 10 I required only 8 bits. For 10 I required only 8 bits. So if you remove 8 bits from 32, how many will be there? Total 24 bits will be free. It's a waste of memory, right? So based on the value we are storing, we are taking the byte or short or integer or long integer that is going to be taken. So all are integers only. This byte or short or integer or long, everything is integer only. Based on the value we are storing and as per our requirement, we are taking the data type to save our memory. This is called integer. And coming to the relational type, we have only two types. First one is float and second one is double. For the decimal values, we are taking float and double relational types. But the difference between the float and double is here. In the float, you guys are going to take a round off after 0.2. There is, for example, here 1.2367, like this it will be there. So I will take only two values after the decimal, then it is called it as a float value. If I take till and as many values are there after decimal, then it is called it as a double. The size is 64, the size is 32. Okay, we'll write a practical program and we'll show it to you. Okay, don't worry. And next one is character. To store a single character within the single, we have to store, if you want to store any character, you have to give the char data type and you have to give the character in single quotation. If you give the double quotation, it should be the string. Okay, here you can see for string you should give in the double quotation. For character you should give in the single quotation. Next one is conditional. Is nothing but boolean value. Boolean space b equal to true. Whenever you are giving any conditions in the program, we are going to use it. We are assigning the value true. True is nothing but 1, 0, false is nothing but 0. Remember this point. Okay, this is called the variables, sorry, data types concept. Then what is mean by variables? Without data types, we can't use the variables. Okay, let's consider the variables are the human. Data types are the classifications, like humans will be the men, women, and transgender, right? There is a category, male or female or transgender. Like data type is a category of the particular variable. As I give an example in the classification of human. Okay, so a variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. A variable is assigned with the data type and variable is the name of a memory location. And Java variables are case sensitive. It should be a small letter and it should not match with any Java keywords. In Java, we have some reserved keywords like void, main. Okay, we can't use those. And must be unique in the scope of declaration, and variable must not exceed 255 characters. Whenever you are giving the any variable name, it should not exceed 255 characters. You may ask one doubt, sir, here we are taking simply b, like that how it can exceed 255 characters. Whenever you are coming to the real time, you will exceed 255 sometimes, as because of names which includes hexadecimal values. In Java, all the variables must be declared before they can be used. If you want to use any variable, you should declare it first. That's what he's telling. The value stored in the variable can be changed during the program execution. How many types of variables we have? Local variable, instance variable, and class variable. Here, how many types of variables we have? Local variable and instance variable and class variable. Okay, these are the three types of variable we have. So local variable means is declared in method or block. Okay, here you can see there is an example here. Class test int I1 equal to 10. Okay, this is called it as a instance variable. Static int I2 equal to 20. It's nothing but it's a class variable because I declared inside the class with the static keyword, right? So that is called static or class variable. and here void test method. Inside this method I have given variable. So this i3 can't be used outside this method. Okay, here you can see this is the open block, this is the closed block. If you want to use this i3, you can print the statement here with i3. You can't use i3 here because the scope of i3 is there between this method only, void test method. If you can't access here, you can't access here, but you can access i1 and i2 in this method. Okay, here the scope is local, it's nothing but it's there between this one only. It can't be accessed outside this method. Okay, so this is instance variable, class variable, and local variable. These are the three types of variable we have in the Java. Okay, so let me create one Java file and will explain to you. First, I am going to create Java project. Okay, so how to create a project in the Eclipse? You will be get an screen like this after you guys are install the Eclipse. Click on the file, come to new Java project. Click on the Java project, and it will ask the project name. I am giving the project name as a batch number 14. Your batch number is 14. That's the reason I am giving the project name as a batch 14. So next, so while creating, uncheck this create module info Java file. Okay, and then what we have to do here is click on finish. Now the batch 14 is created here. Expand this. There is a source folder. Click on it and right click on the source folder. New one, package. Okay, there is a hierarchy while creating a project in the Eclipse. Here, what is that hierarchy? Whether it is for Selenium or else Java program, whatever it is, first you have to create a Java project, and then you have to create a package, and then you have to create a Java file or class. Okay, these are the three-step hierarchy process for it. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, just ignore this, just click on this, check in, creates folders corresponding to the packages. Just ignore these ones, right click on it. Okay, so click on the project, new, click on package. It is asking the package name. It is asking the package name on the source only, not folder. I'm giving the package name as a Java programs. Package name should be starts with a small letter. Okay, so click on finish. Now the package is added here. You can see. Okay, so I don't want this package info.java. That's the reason I'm deleting this file. Okay, so now right click on this Java programs package, new, and click on the class. Here the class name should start with a capital letter. So here what I'm going to take here is data types and variables. That is my class. Okay, so click public static void main because it is very important. The main execution is starts from this main method only. Even if you uncheck, you people have to write manually on the code. So here there will be option for us, right? That's the reason I'm clicking on it and click on the finish to get that as a syntax. Here you can see the execution is starts from main function only in the Java. Wherever you write the program, the execution should be starts from here only, from main function. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, first I'm going to declare some variables which we already have in explained here in the data type. I'm first taking integer space a equal to 30, integer space a equal to 30. So why it's showing the yellow color is nothing but you have initialized but you can't use it anywhere. Okay, after using this variable this warning will gone. So now I'm taking float space b equal to 1.23, b equal to 1.23. It will throw an error. Let's see why it is. Control Z. Yes, it is asking as type of B to the double because we have taken only two decimal values after dot, right? So then the error will be resolved. And next one is character space C equal to, I am taking single quotations, within that I am taking one character. Okay. And next one, string space, I'm taking that variable as a Raj equal to, inside the Raj I'm giving a Rani, declared a Raj. Let's see what will happen if we print this statement. System dot out dot println. Practice these things, guys, after class is done. Okay, don't neglect. So here what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a variable a, and after that I'm going to print one by one. Control C. You can print all in a single statement, or else you can print, as of now I'm telling in a multiple statement to don't make you confused as you are in the initial classes. Okay, Control V. So here I'm taking B, and then I'm taking C, and then I'm taking Raj here. Okay, here you can see the warnings are gone. If I run this program now, all these outputs are printed on the console. So how to run it? You can click on this run data variables class. There is a play icon here, right? You can click it, it will download, it will run. So or else you can right click on the program, there will be a run as Java application. You can see the output after execution is completed on this console. Here you can see 31.23 C Rani. Okay, this is the way how you guys has to practice it. Clear? Clear or not, guys?
Yes, yes.
And tomorrow we can see conditional statements and arrays, or else conditional statements and loops we can see. Okay, so that arrays concept we can see with these oops concepts: arrays, functions, polymorphism, abstraction, oops. Fourth topic and sixth topic we can see on the Friday, and third topic, fifth topic we can see on the tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to share this material, not this syllabus, I already shared this with you. So I will share the two materials which as I told now. So one is on installation of Eclipse and JDK, and second one is the material which I'm explaining. Okay, so we'll wait for till evening, and we'll share that materials on the evening. Okay, so hope if the people who is not joined yet in the groups, please try to ask your institutes to make you people to join. Okay, any more doubts so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. May I close the session then? Who are not yet joined in the group from these people, out of 10 people who are not yet in the group? Divya, only Divya. Remaining all are there.
Sir.
Prudvi, Aarti, he is left. That I am asking. Okay, fine, no worries. Nagalakshmi, seems you are also not there in group, right?
You are asking in WhatsApp group, like where you
Yes,
will
yes.
share the material. Yes, yes,
WhatsApp
I
group.
am there. Yeah, yes.
Apart from Divya, all people are there in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Divya, you can confirm with your institute to make to in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can confirm your slot. After that, they may join. They may make you people to join. Any more doubts so far in the today class? No
Clear,
doubts?
sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes,
Okay. So I'm sharing the Telegram group link. It's a free group. Okay. So it will be helpful to you in the further classes as well. So maybe whatever updates I got from the testing related market things, I'm going to share in the Telegram group. So if you are interested only, you guys can join. It's a free group, nothing to pay on regarding that group. Okay. I share that group link on the chart. I'm sharing it. If you guys are interested, you can join in that group. Okay. A minute, I'm sharing. Okay. I shared in the chat, guys. If you guys are interested, you can click on it and join in the group. There you can find that how to share resumes, what is the template to share the resumes through the mail to the HRs, and some job updates. Is the certifications is required like that? There is a YouTube channel there we are doing the videos and sharing it in the Telegram group, which is regarding the testing and some other technologies may be added in the future. As of now, we are going to telling about the only testing related activities. Okay. So if anyone has the doubt, if they commented on the video as well, so they are going to do videos on the based on your comments on the next videos. Okay. So it may be helpful to you in the further in the future once the course is completed as well. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and join in the Telegram group. Okay. So hope everyone is good. May I close the session for the day then? Any more doubts?
yes, sir. No doubts.
Okay then. Cool. Thank you all for joining. Have a nice day.